What's up guys, this is Naveed and you're watching Naveed's View. Today we are doing unboxing for Huawei new model Y9a. You know guys, all Huawei new models coming without Google services. So this is the same case with Y9a as well. Price for this is AED 1049 and $288. So what we are getting in $288. Let's go and unpack the box. Inside the box on the top we have Huawei Y9a SIM card ejector pin with silicone case for the back panel, Huawei's supercharged 40 watt charging adapter and USB Type-C cable, and very basic 3.5mm earphones. Huawei Space Silver coming with 128GB storage and 8GB of RAM and Helio G80 12nm processor. The display size is 6.63 inch Full HD Plus, and on the back you are getting 64 megapixel quad camera setup. On the front side we have a 16 megapixel f2.2 4300 mAh battery with fast charging 40 watt. If we will talk about the display, the best thing about the display, there is no notch on the screen and the bezels are very small. Screen protector is already applied on the screen and display looks overall very fine. On the top we have 3.5mm audio jack and the pop-up selfie camera module. On the bottom we have a speaker grill, USB Type-C port and the SIM tray, which is a dual SIM card slot and the memory card slot. But this is not a regular memory card slot. This is supporting nano memory card. So normal memory card, it will not work on this device. On the side we have a volume rocker and a power key. Power key button you will find on the right side. And it's coming with a fingerprint sensor. So you can unlock the screen with the same button. Now we will talk about the back side. It same look like Mate 30 Pro. Even the camera setup is same like Mate 30 Pro. So you will get the flagship level design in a cheap price. Now we will talk about the camera. On the back side we have AI quad camera setup, 64 megapixel, primary camera, 8 megapixel wide angle lens, 2 megapixel depth sensor and 2 megapixel macro lens. On the front we have a selfie camera, 16 megapixel and pop-up camera module which can record 1080p at 30 frames per second. Overall Huawei Y9a is looking very nice mid-range phone. But if we will talk about the drawbacks, it's coming with nano memory card slot and without Google services. So you have to use Huawei app gallery. That's all for today friends. So go ahead and tell me in comments below and hit the thumbs up if you like the video, and do not forget to subscribe if you want to watch more of my content. Thanks for watching guys. Peace out.